Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the steps to add an ID card number for an employee in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log in to the Fresa application. After successfully logging in, this is what our dashboard looks like. Navigate to the HR module. Select the Employee Master under the HR module. Open the respective employee and click the Edit button. On the Employee Profile page, click Reference on the right side. Select the reference type as ID card number. Enter the reference number and date. Then click the Save button. The ID card number has now been successfully added to the employee page. These are the steps to add an ID card number for an employee in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials from Fresa Technologies.